All right, guys, I got something real special for you today. I was one of the lucky people to actually win a pair of the off-white Nike Dunk Lows. So definitely want to do an unboxing with you guys today. But before we get started, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel because I promise you I have a lot more things coming up. As you can see on my channel, I talk about credit and sneakers and stuff like that. You do not have any idea how excited I am when I won these on the sneakers app. The last time that I have won something as special as this on the sneakers app was probably about a year ago, where I got access to the Kobe 5 Protros, I believe. But you know, I have a video on that on my YouTube. I'll link it in the description below. But that was the last time I got lucky. Other than that, I have never gotten lucky on a sneakers early access ever. So for the fact that they even let me get access to these, I am super excited and grateful about it. But with that being said, I definitely wanted to show you guys what I got today. Yeah, so let's go ahead and just unbox these things. Put the box over there to the side. Listen, I'm not somebody who's excited about boxes. Like, don't get me wrong, this is definitely a cool box, cool concept, but we don't wear the boxes. We wear the sneakers. So whatever. All right, let's get to it. Okay. So, as you can see, these are the Nike Dunk Off-Whites. Okay. They didn't want to, I guess certain lots had suede, certain other lots had like the leather. I didn't really get a chance to go through all the different lots and see what they all look like. I'm gonna try to find that online or whatever, but I do know that half of them were like leather and the other half were like suede. Obviously I got the suede pair, but I'm definitely feeling this pair. I'm definitely feeling the navy blue tongue area right here, with the green, I guess, extra laces. I'm not sure what you want to call these. Materials feel great on this, and as you can see, it is lot 16 of 50. Whoa, what's this? Not really sure what happened there, but I'm pretty sure I can clean it off. But yeah, other than that, I'm super excited. I'm not really sure what that little stain is right there, but pretty sure I can get it off, but it's not a big deal. Because you know why? Shoes are made to be worn. And I know that a lot of people are reselling these, and I know that different lots go for a lot of money. I know that lot 1 goes for about $1,500, I guess, depending if you buy them on StockX, eBay, or in person or whatever. But I do plan on keeping these. This particular pair I have is a size 12. I never ever owned a pair of Nike Dunks. Never owned a pair of off-white Nikes, period. So definitely super excited about this release right here. Well, about this win right here. Let me pull out the other shoe, because I believe that one shoe is supposed to have like the tag on there or something. Okay. All right, here we go. So this is the left shoe. So the left shoe, as you can see, definitely has the tag on there. Definitely oh, look at that. Okay. Beaverton, Oregon, 1985. Okay. Listen, I never had a pair of off-white dunks or whatever, so this is super exciting. I do plan on keeping this pair because, like I said, you know, what's the whole point of getting excited about hitting on the sneakers app if you're just going to resell the sneakers? So I don't want to be a part of that. I'm definitely going to keep these. I'm definitely going to rock them. So definitely stay tuned for a on foot review of these. I'll probably put it together with like a nice little outfit once I figure out you know, exactly how to rock them. They are very different and very different from all the shoes that I currently own. So this is pretty cool though. I'm really liking this. I'm liking this. So maybe this is a sign of things to come. And I apologize, guys, if it's kind of loud out here. I'm out here on my balcony, and all of a sudden planes, trains, and automobiles want to come by. But other than that, definitely a dope shoe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But you know what? I do have a bonus for you guys. Hold on one second, because I actually got another package in. Besides being able to win these off-whites right here, I was able to hit something on the Travis Scott fragment release. No, it wasn't the Travis Scott sneakers. I mean, the Jordan 1s. Was not able to get those, but I was able to win, I believe, the hoodie. So we could go ahead and unbox that. Okay, guys, so here is the Travis Scott, what is it? A Travis Scott fragment hoodie. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It's not the most easy unboxing to do. It's hard to hold the camera in one hand and the tool in another. But we got it open now, so that's all that matters. Let's go ahead and get the box out the way. We don't care about boxes. All right, let me see if I can take it out the bag with one hand and see how this is. Oh, come on, there we go, hold on one second, guys. Let me put this down. All right, so this is the hoodie, Jordan fragment Cactus Jack on the front. This right here is actually a size 3XL. Let's turn it around and see what it looked like on the back. And on the back, you got the Jordan Cactus Jack decal on the back. That's pretty dope right there. So yeah, so on that Cactus Jack fragment Jordan 1 release, obviously I was not able to hit on the Jordan 1 lows. No surprise there. I did try for the shorts, no win. I tried for the shirt, no win. I tried for the hoodie, as you can see, and I actually hit on the hoodie. This is size 3XL. Feels pretty heavy. I'm here located in Atlanta, Georgia, so it doesn't really get that cold. So this is definitely something that I will wear during the fall time, where the temperatures drop to like a cooler 60 degrees, sometimes 50 degrees. So this is something else I'm gonna keep too. I thought about getting it and then just reselling it on StockX or at the local sneaker shop, or just reselling it to someone local, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep this, because you know, when the next time I'm gonna get this lucky to win any of this, to win some off-whites and also win, you know, at least some type of fragment Jordan collab. So, you know, to appease the sneaker gods, I'm going to take what they gave me and I'm going to go ahead and rock this. And hopefully the sneakers app and the sneaker gods will be kind to me and give me more exclusive access to future upcoming releases. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you guys today. Show you guys the off-whites, and the you know, as a bonus, show you guys the Travis Scott hoodie as well. So like I said, I'm happy to have hit something on the sneakers app, because they have been doing me and many others dirty for a very, very, very long time.